Hi, this is Litre from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2017 Toyota 86 stock number 5910. This ran from the 10th 2016 to 09/2021. Has a FA 202 litre petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a FA 202 litre petrol engine. Left front 16-inch factory alloy mag or tyre. Left front mirror. Left front door, no dents. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag or tyre. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag good tyre. Right front 16-inch factory alloy mag good tyre. Right front guard, no dents. Right front mirror. Right front door, no dents. Right front door trim. Master switch. Center console. Automatic gear shifter. AC controls. Factory touchscreen stereo. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Interior mirror. Courtesy light. Factory 3-spoke steering wheel. Instrument cluster.